Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to disable floating keyboard on Sony Xperia device. Okay, let's get to the tutorial. Now here I will show you my keyboard display. Okay, and then here you can see that the floating keyboard is active. Well, and then how to disable it? Just follow the steps. First, you can tap the menu icon here. And then here you can click on floating. Okay, and then the floating keyboard has been removed. Well, that's the tutorial on how to disable floating keyboard on Sony Xperia device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.